Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Fahim. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about how we can delete our database. Now, obviously, you can do that using the GUI way. For example, if you are using MySQL workbench like me, you can simply select our database and right click on there. And from there, if you click drop schema, it would prompt you whether you really want to drop the database. And from here, you can easily drop the database by clicking drop now. But wait a minute. In this playlist, I am focusing on teaching you how you can use the commands well, right? So in that aspect, I'm going to show you how you can do that using the SQL query command. All right. So how we can do that? For example, I have how much 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 databases in total here. All right. So for example, let's say I am going to delete database 2 right now. So what the command would be? Keep in mind, if I want to remove a database, that means I want to drop the database. In the MySQL language, we call that dropping. In normal case, or you can say normal scenario, whenever we think about removing something, we call that dropping, or you can say drop something, right? So as I was telling that I want to remove database 2 from my this schema section, so actually I want to drop database 2. So the command would be drop. I want to drop something. Then comes the question, what I want to drop. Do I need to drop a database or do I need to drop a table? As I want to drop a database, so I have to specify that, hey, I want to drop a database. So I will call database. So it would understand, yeah, he wants to drop our database. And then I have to specify which database I want to drop, right? As I have 7 databases here, I have to tell it that, hey, I want to delete or drop this specific database, right? So now I have to provide the database name. For example, as I want to delete database 2, so I have to provide the name of the database 2. That's it. And a semicolon for closing the statement. One more thing, you are seeing a different theme here. This might not be available in your case because this theme doesn't come automatically when you install a MySQL workbench. I have modified my theme. If you are interested how I did that, you can let me know in the comment section and I would try to make a video out of it if I get enough responses. All right, now I have completed my statement drop, which I need to drop a database. All right, now I have to specify which database I want to drop, so the database name. So the command is like this, drop database. As I want to drop a database, then the database name. And if I simply click here, I see a green checkbox, and if I simply reload, you see I don't have database 2 anymore because I have dropped it. And let's say I want to drop my database, so I can provide the command drop database my database. Execute. Then my database is gone. So like this, you can drop any database you want. I will see you in another video. Till then, take care. Thank you.